So tone is what keeps the audience listening. And the tone of the trombone is what draws people from all over the place, the world. So as trombone players, we should give the extremely care to our sound. And the tone also serves as the first impression when you play. A good sound should have the qualities such as pure, focused, open, warm, and many good adjective words can describe it. Or simply just be pretty. When you practice, when you play on the trombone, always bring those adjectives into your playing. Such as, I want my sound to be pure. I want my sound to be focused. I want my sound to be warm. And remember, the air and the tone has a direct correlation between each other. Our last topic has talked about the use of huge air blowing to the trombone. To get a good tone, we have to use lots of air in the right way. Speak to your band directors or your private teachers for recommendations of good trombone players to listen to, so you have a good sound concept in your head. The sound concept is very, very essential because that shows you how you should do it and how your sound should sound like. Listen to those good players playing. Nowadays, there's so many good resources. On YouTube, there's many high quality content, high quality CDs being uploaded there. If you want to go extra step, save 10 to 15 bucks to buy a CD from Amazon. To listen to those, then find the sound that you like and then try to emulate that in your play. It's very, very important. Especially as a young player, you need to know, you have to have an example of sound that you want to go for. A good exercise to practice your tone is the Remington daily exercise, is a long tone exercise. It goes through different partials and through all 7 positions. When I'm practicing this exercise, I'm always relaxed. I'm always focused on the air movement, and I'm always focusing on the sound. Because long tone, in the long tone exercise, you don't have to worry about the rhythm. You don't have to worry about your slight movement. You don't have to worry about your musical phrases. It gives you a lot of opportunity to focusing on just your tone and air. So I would highly, highly recommend you to spend 5 to 10 minutes each day to practice long tone. That should be the first exercise to do for your practice session. And during this long tone exercise, focus on the sound. That's probably the only chance of that day you can focus improving your sound. Have a good concept knowing exactly what a good sound that you want to go for. If I ask you to draw something that you've never seen before, then that will be impossible. So tone is such an important factor to define us trombone players. So give it 120% of your attention to it every time.